You probably protect your business against risk, such as buildings, machinery, and vehicles, but there's often an area of protection which is overlooked for your most important asset, your people. Let's take ABC Limited as an example. ABC Limited have been trading since 1999. The business sells branded merchandise to major organisations. It has 3 directors within the business: Mr. A, responsible for finance, Mrs. B, responsible for purchasing, and Mrs. C, responsible for sales. In the last 3 years, the business has been expanding drastically, and profits are increasing year on year. Everything goes well until a fatal car accident takes away Mrs. C's life while on a business trip. The business closes for 2 weeks. The worst is yet to come. When the remaining partners, Mr. A and Mrs. B, open the business, they realise they've lost Mrs. C's personal relationships with some of their major customers. Cash flow takes a dramatic hit. Alerted by the decrease in the company's income, the bank calls in the overdraft facility of £50,000 ABC Limited holds with them, and they struggle to make the repayments on the business loan which was taken out last year. Meanwhile, Mrs. B's family are advising her to sell her shares within the business before ABC Limited loses its value. Customers of ABC Limited are also becoming nervous and begin to reduce the number of orders with the company after hearing the company is in financial difficulty. But with the right protection in place, the story takes a different direction. Right after the accident, Mr. A contacts their financial advisor, who's already been in contact with the claims department at Zurich regarding ABC Limited's protection plans. The business had a number of policies in place to ensure if the worst should happen to any of the directors, that the business would be able to continue operating. Firstly, when ABC Limited took out a loan and overdraft facility, they took out a level term plan for £250,000 to ensure that if any of the directors suffered a critical illness or died, the surviving shareholders would be able to repay the loan and overdraft facility. A lump sum payment of £250,000 was paid within a few weeks. This allows ABC Limited to repay the bank and clear the remaining balance of the business loan. ABC Limited also took out a second level term plan for £1 million to ensure that the remaining partners are able to purchase the shares from the deceased's family. A further amount of £1 million was paid to Mr. A and Mrs. B. This allows them to purchase the shares from Mrs. C's family at their fair value, making sure the company stays within the hands of the remaining directors. Thirdly, another level term plan was taken out for £400,000 as a key man policy to cover recruitment and training of a new sales manager and to allow cash flow whilst relationships are re-established. So how are you protecting your business's future? Someone always carries the risk. Will it be you, your family and your business, or will you have the right protection to insure the risk? Zurich Insurance, for those who truly love their business.